Visualizing variability. Imagine shuffling a deck of cards numbered 1 to 10. If we draw one card, its value represents a single data point from a uniform distribution, the discrete uniform distribution. Each number is equally likely. Now draw 4 cards, calculate their average, by that I mean mean, and record this mean. Repeat the process several times. As you record more means, you'll notice they begin to cluster around the true population mean, which in this case is 5.5, something you can calculate using your knowledge from methods. This clustering is the central limit theorem in action. In the activities ahead, we'll explore how sample size and population characteristics influence the distribution of sample means. By the end, hopefully, you'll see how the central limit theorem transforms our understanding of variability and enables us to draw meaningful conclusions from the data. And there's a little joke at the end where this guy over here is standing over here on the IQ distribution and says that he's gifted. Now, coming back to the idea of variability, if you actually perform these activities and compare them with classmates, you'll find that you get a lot of different results. Some of them will show what we're saying here quite well, and others won't. And that's variability as well. There'll be variability in the samples you take. And the way to get around that variability is we think about when we take millions or even billions of these samples, which is obviously very time consuming to do. And so nobody's actually going to do that as a class activity. There's ways that you can speed this up. You can see over here that I've used my class pad and using the randlist function, which you'll find in the catalogue, to give me a sample of size 8 from the distribution 1 to 10, and here it is just here. And then we could work out the mean of that, and you can even do that by putting the mean function around that. And there's other things that you can do here on the class pad that will speed it up as well. For example, if you go into the spreadsheet, you can put a mean of a sample here and then just fill it down, and it will give you lots of samples. And even that's quite slow if you're trying to do lots of them. If you write some Python code, or even get ChatGPT to help you write some Python code, you'd be able to investigate many samples, tens of thousands, in just a few seconds. So anyway, that's visualizing variability, and then we're just going to move on and look at the investigations.